Welcome to a new edition of Tools and Equipment Update, where we introduce some new items of tools and equipment that have been added to inventory and the manual. This month we'll look at a new loop impedance meter, a changed brand and model of HV detector for the highest voltage range we test, an infrared thermometer, both small and large battery powered cable cutters, and a new rescue cutter for the tower and pole top rescue kits. Now, let's take a closer look at these items. The Slim is being introduced to give users a higher level of electrical safety in a simple to use tester for low voltage connection loop impedance measurements. This tester will become the replacement item when your current loop tester becomes unserviceable. It provides an accurate 2 ohm measurement range in a simple one push button tester with just the active and neutral leads connected. It also has the ability to give voltage readout. When all 3 leads, active, neutral and earth, are connected, it will give an initial displayed indication of active to neutral and neutral to earth voltage. This tester will be added to the next update of the low voltage connection manual. We are also introducing a new high voltage contact detector for the upper range of 110 to 275 kV, as the previous supplier was unable to supply a model that met our requirements. The new item that will be supplied is the TAG 330. This detector is a 110 to 330 kV range detector, which will give a greater working range for transmission and sub-transmission voltages in the one detector. Please be aware that you are no longer able to get your existing 275 330 kV detectors upgraded as previously advised. A non-contact infrared thermometer has been added to inventory to use to measure the temperature of an object's surface. The thermometer can be used to detect hotspots on clamps, connections, conductors and other electrical apparatus. Using a non-contact infrared thermometer on energised electrical apparatus is a safer option than traditional contact thermometers. The infrared unit's optics sense emitted, reflected and transmitted energy, which is collected and focused onto a detector. The unit's electronics translates this information into a temperature reading, which is then displayed on the screen. When accuracy is critical, make sure that the target is at least twice as large as the unit's spot size. With this model, the spot size is 30 mm at 390 mm and increases in size as you get further away from the target. 2 different sizes of battery cutters have also been made available to make it easier to cut both small and large cables. The smaller cutter is a ratchet style and suitable for copper cable up to 21 mm diameter, aluminium cable up to 31 mm diameter, and ACSR up to 18.5 mm diameter. The larger cutter is a guillotine style, suitable for copper, aluminium and armoured cables up to 105 mm diameter. This cutter utilises the common 18 volt Makita battery. Replacement blades are also available for both cutters when required. The new version of safety cutter being supplied for both the pole top and tower rescue kits is being made available due to ongoing difficulties obtaining supplies of the previous model. If you still have the old style boot knife in your kit, it is probably a good time to upgrade to the new style rescue cutter, which is a far more effective tool for the purpose. As always, if you have any questions about anything you've seen in this presentation, we'd love to hear from you. Contact any of the tool and equipment team members shown on your screen or email us at the Tools and Equipment mailbox.